Eating an avocado a day might just keep the doctor away. They are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and micronutrients that satisfy hunger and improve your health. Here are 6 ways to enjoy eating avocados every day. For many of us, when we think about eating avocados, we think about guacamole. That is not a bad thought since avocados are the base ingredient in guacamole. The challenge is how to eat it without eating the refined chips to scoop it up. Fortunately, you can stay low carb by swapping high carb tortilla chips for low carb Parmesan crisps. I made these by simply placing small mounds of Parmesan cheese on a baking sheet at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until they were brown. Guacamole is simple to make at home, but you can pick it up at the grocery store. You will want to read the ingredient list to make sure that avocados are the main ingredient and there's no added sugar like this Holy Guacamole brand. Now, over on my blog, I've added details to go along with this video, including the recipes and instructions for making Parmesan crisps and the other recipes that I will be sharing. So if you want to get the full instructions, I'll provide the link to the blog post below in the description area. My favorite way to eat avocados is on top of a salad. A daily salad is one of the best ways to control hunger, fill your body with nutrients, and control your weight. But to accomplish all of those things, your salad needs to contain healthy fat. Avocados are packed with healthy fat and fiber, and they add a hearty, creamy element to salad. But just plopping some slices of avocado on top of your lettuce will not have you coming back for more. There is an art to making a salad that you will look forward to eating every day. You can start with my favorite. And here again, the recipe is over on my blog, but this salad contains the salad greens, half of an avocado, feta cheese, walnuts, and sunflower seeds. Avocados work great as salad toppers. They also blend well to make salad dressing. I mixed this avocado salad dressing by placing half of a ripe avocado in a food processor, along with olive oil, lime juice, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and enough water to smooth it out. Avocados also make a healthy alternative to mayonnaise. Most commercial brands of mayonnaise are made with unhealthy vegetable oils like soybean oil, and they contain high fructose corn syrup or sugar. You can easily swap commercial mayo for homemade avocado mayo to use in things like tuna or chicken or salmon salad. Here I placed a half of an avocado in a food processor along with olive oil, apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, onion and garlic powder, salt, and water until I reached the consistency of regular mayonnaise. I then mixed in a packet of salmon and some chopped onions to make salmon salad that can be enjoyed as a salad topper or any way you would enjoy a tuna salad, for instance. Salmon contains a lot of healthy fats, as does the avocado. So this recipe will replace the unhealthy oils of regular mayo with 2 healthy fats, at the same time avoid high fructose corn syrup and sugar. Because of their balance of fat and protein, eggs work perfectly in a low-carb diet, but it is easy to get bored with them. You can liven them up with a spicy dip made from avocados. And the great thing is that you can use your leftover avocado mayo to make it. All I did here was add a pinch of cayenne pepper to the avocado mayo recipe that I described earlier to make a spicy avocado egg dip. You can mix this dip into any egg dish, but I like to use it with hard-boiled eggs, which makes it into a quick breakfast or a hunger-satisfying afternoon snack. Avocados work great in smoothies. They not only add a creamy component, but also a good portion of fat and fiber. Oftentimes, smoothies taste really good, but they don't stay with you. So you find that you are hungry soon after drinking one. The fat and fiber from the avocado slows the digestion and helps to keep your blood sugar level steady so you feel satisfied longer. This smoothie mixed up in a minute. It contains half of an avocado, a half a cup of frozen strawberries, 1 cup of almond milk, a handful of spinach, and a tablespoon of almond butter. With 21 grams of healthy fats and 9 grams of fiber, an avocado is a valuable food for a low-carb dieter. You can turn them into a snack, use them to enhance a salad, or mix them up into a smoothie. I eat them just about every day, and with these avocado ideas, I hope that you can get more of them into your daily diet. If you need the full instructions for making any of these recipes, you can visit my blog post, and I will leave links here in the video and below in the description area where you can find that. Thank you so much for watching. Please join my channel by clicking the subscribe button before you go. Have a great week.